What is up everyone, and you're joining in back again with another episode of Diecast Maniac. And today we will be talking about another new set of releases which are coming up by Tarmac and Mini-GT. So moving on to our first, which we have in the Tarmac segment, is the legendary Mercedes-Benz 190e Evo 2 series. So this is actually coming in silver, and to be honest, one of these variations was released a few months ago in black, and now it's coming out in silver with the white body kit. And pre-orders are starting up next week, and I'll be putting the link down below in my description for you guys to check it out. Coming up with our next release, Tarmac announced a few days ago to be released two new series which were from the E-Motorsports Championship. The Anandika Rama Maulana, who raced the Mercedes-Benz AMG GT, and also the GTR R35, which was competed by Luis Moreira in the G-Ready livery Nissan GTR R35. These two are yet to be released and will be coming out in 1/64 scale. Talking more about the Tarmac E-Motorsports, Tarmac is also releasing their 1/64 scale Nissan GTR GT3 2019 version, which was driven by Andy Gunn in the E-Motorsport Championship. Moving on to Mini-GT. Mini-GT is releasing the new 4 sets of cars which came out in Thanksgiving. They announced their releasing dates, which was next year March 2021, and actually we spoke about one of these cars in our previous video, and this is the Toyota Supra new HKS livery edition. And also they are coming up with the Supra old livery edition in blue, and also the BMW M3 Alpina in black, and also the Bentley Continental GT Flying Spur in red. As usual, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification button to keep up with the latest news as we bring in all the new releases and the unboxing videos with the details to you at first. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you guys soon on the next video.